So for this exercise, it's going to be your traditional bench press with your barbell. Now, when you get into your position, you're going to want a spotter, and the reason is for safety first. Whether you're doing heavy weight or not heavy weight, it's always important to make sure that you're taken care of and you don't get hurt. Aside from that, when we're doing our barbell chest press, when you're approaching this exercise, there's normally 2 markers on the bar, and that is where you can put your hands, and that's the safest place to have them. You don't want to go too wide, because the wider you go, you're going to start involving your shoulders, and that is where injuries occur, such as tears and sprains. You're going to want to keep your arms within shoulder width, and that's going to be your safe zone. So if you go further past that bar, that's a little dangerous, so I would not advise that. Normally, some people will put their pinkies on that little area where the bar is. If you want to do your ring finger, your middle finger, your pointer finger, that's completely up to you, but as long as you're in that area, you're good to go. Now, when you're coming down and you're doing that decline to your chest, you're going to want to have your arms at a 45-degree angle from your body. And the reason is, again, is because we're avoiding those shoulders to avoid any injury. You want all of that peak tension and stress to be right on your pectoral muscles where we're focusing on. Any other place, and you're substituting other muscles for the chest press, which you do not want to do. So you want to have your elbows 45-degree angles from your body. When you come down, you're going to want to be around that nipple line. You don't want to be too high, too low, right at that nipple line, and then all the way up. And that is how you do your barbell chest press. You're going to have your back flat on the bench and your feet planted firmly. Your range of motion should be all the way down to touch your chest and all the way back up, and really push those pecs in to get a proper contraction. It's very important that your arms are at a 45-degree angle from your body to avoid shoulder damage. Make sure you're exhaling when you're pushing that weight up, and you're breathing in when you're letting that weight down. That will keep you from robbing your body of oxygen.